Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Airbnb. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're on Airbnb and you want to go ahead and use a spouse's or family member's account so that you can contact the host. How do you actually go ahead and log out of Airbnb? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto Airbnb. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on Profile. And then this is the really important step, guys. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you want to go ahead and click on Logout. Afterwards, you're going to see a prompt notification that pops up like this. Just go ahead and click out Logout again, and there you have it. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Airbnb on your mobile phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.